Okay, so this is a quick lesson on scientific notation. The last thing you need to know for your quiz on Wednesday. So this fun math sheet, if there's supposed to be a hidden message at the end of it. So if it's not funny, don't kill me for it because I did not make this joke. Okay, I think my jokes are a little better than this, so it's hard to make math fun. So any jokes is good, I guess. So each of the two blocks below is divided into 25 boxes. Boxes in the top block contain numbers in scientific notation. Okay, so these ones up here, these are scientific notations with all of them with a base of 10 to a positive or negative exponent. So that's what scientific notations are. Express any of these numbers as a decimal numerical and find the decimal in the bottom block. So the bottom numbers right here, these are the decimal form if you were to expand it out. Write the word from the top box in the bottom box and you'll solve a puzzle that work dogly and you will spell out a hot message.
A hot message?
Yes.
That sounds long.
You'll find out. I love that script. Okay. So you'll find out what that hot message is after you do some math. Okay, so so let's do a couple of these to get you guys started. Okay, so for example, this 8 times 10 to the power of 2. This number 8 right here. Is there a decimal place right here? Where's my decimal? Not in front of the 8. Behind the 8. So this 8 is the same as 8.0, right? So 10 to the power of 2 means I'm going to move this decimal place 2 more spaces to the right. Yeah, I know. But so if that's the case, what's my number? 800. So I looked for 800 here. Yep. And I'm going to write the word that. Okay. Similarly, if I have 8 times 10 to the power of negative 4, my decimal place is right here. But because it's negative, which way do you think I should move my decimal? The other way, right? To the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do I fill in these spots with? Zeros. So 1, 2, 3. So I look for the 0.0008 and I write the word of. Where is that? So 0.0008.
Don't we have to flip the base?
Third box, right. So I write of. Good question. Okay. These are scientific notations. So
Okay, if I wanted to do it on my calculator, I tried. It's an error.
you use this button instead of this button. That's why. Yeah. Okay. So similarly, I want to, for the sake of the lesson, okay, this, if I were to change this to a scientific notation, what would this be? This would be 8 times 10 to the power of. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what would my exponent be? Negative 12. So which word is 8 times 10 to the negative 12? The. Right here. Yeah, so the. Okay, what about
Only the zeros.
the whole thing? Because remember your decimal place is right here.
So like 0.001331, start from 3, right?
Oh, good question. Let's try this one then. For this one, you put your decimal after the first non-zero number. Yeah. Why? Because when we rewrite this as a scientific notation, this is 1.23 times 10 to the power of something. So when I move this, what's my exponent? -5. Good job. So 1.23 times 10 to the -5. What word is that? Price. Yeah. Okay, so we have the first 3 words of this puzzle, this hot message. The price of what? Okay, so any question? That's the lesson.
Oh, it's actually on the dot.
Yeah. So we did the first 3, the price of. So this one, Cyrus, what did you get? Pass? Alright, Rebecca? This one? Beef, yes. Okay. Ladies? Okay, so this one, 10 to the -1. That means I moved this decimal place over to here. So that means this is 0.123. So the word here is beef. Next one, Yusuf, what did you get for this? Is. Okay, so this, when I move this, is 10 to the 4. So I move this over 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I fill the spaces with 0. So it's the 45,000. Alright, Michaela, this one. Getting. Okay, where's getting? This one right here. Since it's a -8, that means I'm moving the decimal place to the left 8 times. And when I fill up those spots with zeros, I get this as the decimal. Brendan, your phone. Yes. I can still hear it. It's not yours? Whose phone is that? Cindy? Is that your phone? Okay. Next, Antonia. So, okay. Ladies. Okay, so when you move this over 3 times to the left, you'll get 0.045. Diction. Hi. Okay. So 1.23, if you move over the decimal place, you'll get it's 9 places. So you get the word hi. Sean.
All my counting.
These. Okay, so when you move over the decimal place after the 8, you move it over 9 times. It means the scientific notation is 8 times 10 to the power of 9. Okay, Jennifer? Oh, Jasmine, sorry. Days, sorry, Jasmine. Days. Okay, so the price of beef is getting so high these days that Brian? Many? Petro? Hot? Sonia? Oh, Sonia went to the washroom. Sorry. Cindy, this one. Dog. Jennifer. Makers. Alright. Okay, Sophia? Okay. Haley? This one? Pass? Okay. Bella? Finding? It. Very. Any? Alright. Brendan. Now pass. Okay, Kira. 2. Naomi. Is it Mick? Okay. Hassan? Pass. Okay. Sophie? Both. Good. Rachel? And the last one. Meat. So what is that hot message? The price of beef is getting so high these days that many hot dog makers are finding it very hard to make both ends meet. Do you guys know what hot dogs are made of? You think it's beef? There's pork as well, and there's chicken. So yeah, how many of you like eating hot dogs? Okay, so not to spoil it for you guys, but hot dogs are processed meat that's made up of all different types of meats. It could be beef, chicken, pork, and the type of meat that they use. There you go. The type of meat they use is not always like the good parts. Okay, so on the back, this is your homework. Okay, so as you can see, these are not hard. It's not hard to do, but there are quite a few of them. I do want you guys to make sure you try all of these. It will be on the quiz on Wednesday.
Look how many zeros there are. You made me write so many zeros.
Yay! Okay, so do these for homework. You guys still have 10 minutes to get through most of these.